If resting makes you feel anxious, you're not lazy, you're in survival mode, and your body might feel unsafe when things are finally calm. Survival mode isn't just about being busy. It's about living in a constant state of urgency, so always anticipating the next problem, always waiting for something to go wrong. And once you've lived your life like this for years, your body understands one thing: slow equals danger. And even when your life slows down, your nervous system doesn't get the memo. So this is why the motivation typically disappears. Not because you've stopped caring, not because you've decided to become lazy. It's because your body has been running on a high for so long that at this point, it's not resisting the progress. It's actually asking for safety. And no amount of pushing, no amount of persuasion, discipline, or even planning is actually going to override that need. So why does pushing harder actually fail? The reason why pushing harder actually fails is because it reinforces survival mode. It reinforces the belief that rest needs to be earned. And it also reinforces the belief that you're only safe when you're actually producing. But in reality, healing doesn't happen under pressure. It happens under permission. Rest isn't a reward, it's a repair. It looks like slowing down without guilt, doing less without narrating why, and letting your body catch up to the life you've already survived. You're not lazy, you're recovering. And recovering isn't weakness, it's actually wisdom. If this helped you reframe how you see yourself, subscribe, because this channel is for women who are healing without hustle or shame.